Prosecutors and defense attorneys have struck a deal for a teenager accused of murder, 2 years at a juvenile correctional facility.
The teen is one of two brothers police say murdered a woman last fall. Our Karen Scullen has more, as today the judge signed off on the deal, saying she was just following the law.
Zaria McKeever was shot and killed in November in Brooklyn Park. Charges against the 17-year-old show that he and his brother were carrying out the wishes of their adult friend, who is the father of Zaria McKeever's 1-year-old daughter. He was angry that she had a new boyfriend. Now, normally a case of felony murder involving a juvenile would have the Hennepin County Attorney's Office asking the court to certify them as an adult. Former Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman was doing that, but he retired and Mary Moriarty was elected. She decided against the certification and instead brought forward a deal that includes 2 years at a juvenile correction facility, 30 days home monitoring upon release, and then probation until 21. There is a stayed 150-month sentence. If he violates conditions, he will go to prison. Today, the judge said the law is that if both parties agree on a deal, the court has to accept it. Zaria's family says prosecutors are ignoring the fact that the teens made a clear choice.
He inserted himself. He had an opportunity to turn around, to change his mind, but he willfully did this act on his own. He didn't have to do it.
Now, there was a lot of confusion in court today. Charges show that the 17-year-old admitted that the adult friend gave his younger brother the gun and that he and his brother went to the apartment to shoot the new boyfriend. However, today in court, the teen said they went there to beat up the new boyfriend and that he didn't know his brother had a gun, and that they were told the boyfriend was abusing the 1-year-old.
We're going to get justice for Zaria. It might not have happened today, but it will happen.
One way or the other.
Zaria's sister says the plea deal just doesn't make sense.
There's also cases where we know that she tried teens as an adult for lesser crimes, so it's just a political gain at this point.
Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty released this statement. Zaria's death was a devastating tragedy, and I'm deeply sorry to Zaria's family for their loss and continued pain. I know they are disappointed in our decision on this case. We promise to continue to seek justice for Zaria's murder as we aggressively prosecute the adult who orchestrated this horrific event. Now, it's unclear when the 15-year-old, the alleged triggerman in this case, will actually be in court, but I'm told it should be in the coming days. In Minneapolis, Karen Scullen, Fox 9.